Welcome to week 6 of Steph's Style Challenge. Our style challenge this week is to get dressed using the rule of thirds. It comes from the world of design and art. Basically what it means is that if you divide a photograph, a piece of art, or something up into thirds, that it is more visually appealing and compelling. How does that relate to getting dressed? The human eye is drawn more to outfits that use the ratio of 2-to-1 instead of 1-to-1. So you're going to break up outfits into, 1/3 and 2/3 instead of 1/2 and 1/2. So what does that actually mean? Let me show you. We're talking about balance. And it's not your body, it's your outfit. So what I'm wearing right now, and I've got a big sunspot right here, I am wearing an untucked, longer tank top. So on me, the tank top, from someone looking at me, looks about as long as my jeans do. So this is half and half. Now, one of the reasons why I French tuck or I knot a lot of my shirts is partially because of that. It is visually more appealing to break this up. So I have got closer to 1/3 of my body in this color of my outfit and 2/3 in that color of my outfit. Let me add a cardigan and show you how that works. How does the rule of thirds apply to this? It's actually working in 2 different ways. So we have the 1/3 up here and the 2/3 of my jeans. And then when you add this to it, we've actually got from the side almost 2/3 of this color and only 1/3 of the jeans. So the human eye is going to be more attracted to this. Now, if we untuck the shirt and go like this, again, we're kind of back to half and half. It's just not as visually appealing. So let me show you some other outfits, some new ones and some older photos of me, and see if you can do the challenge this week and get dressed using the rule of thirds and see how you feel.
This first outfit isn't bad, but then look what the boots does. It breaks it up into 3s. Here I use the jean jacket to break it up. Here I just tucked in my top. Here I knotted my top. Tucked in again with a long maxi skirt. Same thing with white jeans. Look here, that's half and half versus 1/3 and 2/3. And then here I used a long cardigan to create the 2/3. Again, half and half, and then 1/3, 2/3.